Welcome back to Mr.YouWho. Andy here, great to see you. So in this latest video from Mr.YouWho, we're going to be looking at the moon lamp. Now you may be wondering, why would we go and do a moon lamp review? Has Mr.YouWho gone a bit crazy? Well, actually, we used this moon lamp ourselves and really enjoyed it. It's a lovely companion piece in the home, the office, or when you're out and about. So in this moon lamp review, we're going to discuss the different type of moon lamps that are available. We're going to look at why you should buy them, and most importantly, I guess, why you should use them. That's all coming up on Mr.YouWho. Now, as always, make sure you like our video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification button. And stay tuned for all latest videos. All coming up on Mr.YouWho. Now, firstly, why at Mr.YouWho would we even talk about a moon lamp? Well, as a young boy, I was fascinated by the moon. I used to look up the moon wondering how it can be there, why it's there, how it got created, what are those strange shapes. Now, the moon lamp puts a galaxy into your home, and with most of the world being on lockdown when we filmed this video, who doesn't wish to have a bit of magic in their lives? The great thing about this moon lamp is the magic of 3D printing, which means the actual moon's printed onto the lamp, and it looks really dazzling. So now let's have a look and bring the moonlight lamp to light. Now look at that. I mean, isn't it fantastic? Doesn't it look really good? Now we do actually have descriptions below, links to purchase these moon lamps. You can also buy them from Moon Lamp at Mr.YouWho as well. You can buy them there. So yeah. So let's do an unboxing of this moon lamp and have a look at how it actually looks. Again, with this 3D moon lamp, as you can see, the detail of the moon is exquisitely put together. It actually shows the features of the moon, the craters, the valleys, and the great thing is you can use up to 16 different colors across the light. You can also dim it. You can also use a remote control to change it. So you can use control to change different colors, to put them brightly. And as you can see, it is quite bright as well. It looks really nice. Now the moon lamp, generally for charging of a couple of hours, will last 12 hours. And you can put it on sleep mode if you wish to go to sleep. I know some of you like to have a bit of a rest now and then. Now the moon lamp, there's also a number of different variations of the moon lamp in place. The first one is in sizes, so you can have them from 3.5 up to 7.1 inches. You can have it with the remote, no remote, stand, no stand. I also like the levitating moon lamp, which is shown here. Now it's a little bit more expensive, but it uses magnets, which means it literally floats off the surface. As you can see, it's floating here. Now I think that's really cool because imagine sitting back, having a moon lamp rotating in the background, talking to your friends, showing people how cool you are. Well, you're a Mr.YouWho, so you must be cool. Yeah, that's really good. When would be a good time to use the moon lamp? Well, I don't know about you, but I love nothing more than sipping back with a lovely glass of wine, sitting there in the moonlight, or perhaps you'd like to read a good book, have the moon shining on you. Or maybe you're taking that special someone out on a date and you want to give a bit of romance when you come home. The lamp gives you the ability to do all those different things. I've also got friends that use it for their kids. They use it in nurseries for night lamps, so it comes to many different ways you can choose it. Now, what are the main factors to take into account when choosing a good moon lamp? Well, firstly, the texture. So you'll come across many lunar lights that have a bright white color and shape of a moon, but don't really have the detail in place in the texture. What you want to do is get a moon lamp that has the craters, the hills, the mountains all in place, so it looks nice. The second one is a built-in battery. You want to have a built-in rechargeable battery, so you don't have to be replacing it all the time, and preferably one with good battery life. Thirdly is charging port. Make sure you have a charging port at the bottom of the light, so it doesn't stand out when you're using it. The third one is size. You want to make sure you're buying a moon lamp that's large enough. They come from very small to quite large as well, so get one that's big. And lastly, budget. The prices vary considerably, so look for one that fits well within your budget. Now we have provided links below to our most recommended moon lamps. Again, these are really cool for the home, the office, or the bedroom. I've also given them as a present to kids, and they've loved them as well. And we can also buy online through Mr.YouWho. So once again, thank you for joining me and the team here at Mr.YouWho. We're really excited to have you here again. Now, if you wish to purchase, jump on the links below. And if you've got any other ideas for any reviews or any videos you'd like, please let us know. We love to hear from you. And we also have a lot of other videos based around men's lifestyle, fashion, and health. Again, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we really appreciate you joining us. And thank you for being part of Mr. YouWho.